In this video, I'm going to teach you symptoms of gallbladder problems. Hi, I'm Dr. Zarowski from NewVisionExcel.com. If you're new to the channel, it is such a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit the little bell notification if you want to excel your health and your life, and you're going to be well on your way. In this video, we're talking about symptoms of gallbladder problems. You know, right off the top of my head, I can name several people that have gotten their gallbladder removed. I know several people who are currently having issues with the gallbladder, and I also know that there's a lot of people out there who are experiencing gallbladder symptoms, but they just don't know it. And I can tell you that for a fact because I've seen them and I've worked on them. And so anyway, let's go ahead and talk about the gallbladder. First of all, it's located right here in the upper right quadrant, right by the liver. And the gallbladder's main purpose is to emulsify, digest, and absorb the fats in your food. If there's a problem going on with the gallbladder, there's a lot of symptoms that can start to come out of it. And these are symptoms that it doesn't mean that you have to be diagnosed with a gallbladder issue. It just may mean that there's some problems there, and it's in your best interest to start making some changes in your lifestyle in order to actually start reversing this issue and increasing the health of your gallbladder. Let's go ahead and jump in. First, pain in the upper right quadrant. This is kind of the first and major symptom that will come if somebody's having gallbladder issues. And so if you're even having some tenderness right in this area, it doesn't have to be a sharp, stabbing pain or anything like that, but even some tenderness, it can also indicate that you're having that gallbladder issue. Indigestion with or after fatty meals. So, if you're noticing that you're getting indigestion after the fatty meals, because remember the gallbladder actually takes care of that fat that you consume, then there's definitely a sign there that you're having some gallbladder problems as well. Bloating after meals, that's pretty self-explanatory. GERD, so if you're having some pain in your stomach, you're having some heartburn, some acid reflux, that sort of thing going on, then that also is an indicator of the gallbladder issue. Now, right shoulder blade pain and discomfort, okay? So when we look at the right shoulder blade, this is an interesting one because a lot of people will think, that they have some muscular thing going on or some skeletal thing that they need to take care of. And so they'll be getting massages and chiropractic care. And, really what it comes down to is that this is a symptom of a gallbladder issue. Now, just like cardiovascular problems can send pain into different areas like the arm, the gallbladder can also send referred pain. And when it does so, it's right in the back of the scapula or on the top, or up here in the shoulder. So anyway, that's also a very good sign of gallbladder issues. Alcohol intolerance. So if you consume alcohol and you just don't feel good after it, or maybe, sometimes I even know people who feel like they've been poisoned after they consume alcohol. Anyway, if you have alcohol intolerance, this is a sign that there's a gallbladder issue as well. Excessive sweating. So this is excessive sweating in the entire body, but primarily the feet. So if someone is sweating a lot in their feet, and that tends to be an issue for them, once again, look to the gallbladder. Now, last if not least, fatigue after meals. If you consume a meal and you're just totally wiped out after it, and you're always just crashing after lunch or whatever meal you have, once again, look to gallbladder, as that could be a potential issue. So these are the major signs and symptoms of a gallbladder problem. So be sure that if you're having these issues, that you start making strides towards improving your gallbladder health. Right below this video, I'm going to put my top 5 remedies that you can use in order to improve your gallbladder health. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to post them in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. Also, give us a like and share this with your friends. I know a lot of people suffering from gallbladder issues. Be sure to grab those remedies below, those top 5 remedies, and check out my other videos on gallbladder and how you can improve your health naturally.